Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make packing gel hairstyle. Now I don't know what this hairstyle is called in other countries, but I know in my country it is called packing gel. So the funny thing about this video is that I've never made this hairstyle before. Can you guys imagine? I've never made this hairstyle before and I want to teach you guys how to make it. Anyways, if it comes out nice, then you learn from me, and if it doesn't come out nice, you guys just skip. I just feel like doing something on my head by myself and just save that money that I will give to someone to make the hair for me. And I can actually make some of this hairstyle on people's head, but I've been lazy to try it out on myself. Though of course I know it's not gonna come out perfect, but I don't need perfection. I just want something nice in my head. So I have some of the things, not some, I have all the things that I am going to be using here now, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm not a hairdresser, okay, so I don't have all the instruments, equipment I need to make this hairstyle. I'm just going to make do with what I have presently in my house. So I have this Dark and Lovely, what's it called? Okay, it's moisturizer. The kind of hair I have, I need to moisturize the hair. And then I have okay, it's called Ultra Hold. Okay, I guess I might be needing this to just to make everything stay together. Then I have the gel. Okay, this gel is from Nigeria. This is gonna do the major work. And then I have this Apple hair cream. I'm gonna use this for the attachment that I will be adding to the tail of my hair. Then I have brush. Okay, this is, yeah, I'm making use of this because I don't have the right equipment to use. Then I have this combs. Okay, and then lastly, very important, I have this one here, this attachment. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using for the ponytail. I don't know whether to just leave it and comb it out or just to braid it, but I will decide that when I get to that stage. So the first thing I need to do now is to just add little water, just little water. I just need my hair to be soft. I actually washed my hair few minutes ago. The hair is not relaxed. I think I relaxed like a month ago. Okay, so it's still perfect for packing gel. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make pattern here. Okay, I think I'm just going to go to the mirror to make sure I get the pattern correct, and I'll come back to continue. So I've gotten the pattern that I want. Okay, and then I'm going to just comb it out just to make sure everything is going perfect. My own ponytail is going to be very low because that's what fits my face. I'm not going to do something that does not fit my face. Okay, so the next is I'm going to start applying this gel on my head. Okay, I don't know how to apply this, so I'm just going to just apply it any way I feel like it's the best. I hope this thing comes out nice. I'll be so happy if it comes out nice. I don't really need to use so much gel because I only need the one facility. This is actually weird because I dyed my hair and the color is like brown, and then I'm applying black on it, so it's looking somehow. Oh my god, this is going to take a lot of gel. Thank god I have extra in case this finish. I can go back to the extra. I will apply the gel off camera first and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm done with the gel path, and if you guys can see, it's already drying up bit by bit. and it's looking so nice. Okay, so I have the attachment here. Before, I actually plan to, just attach it to the tail of my hair and then just leave it like that. But I realized it's not gonna be nice, because looking at this attachment, it's going to be messy after a while. So it's better I just braid the tail. So I'm going to braid it, but before I do that, I'm going to apply some hair cream on the what's it called, the attachment, so that it looks shiny and nice. I'm taking just this portion and then rub it on my palm and then just apply it to the attachment. This is actually the part that I'm really worried about. Okay, how to attach this to the tail of my hair. Okay, let me just turn this way so that you guys can see. So I'm going to take it and I will try to just, okay. Wow, I really wish I have something nice that I can leave like this. It would be really nice. So I will try to braid the attachment, and while braiding, hopefully it comes out nice. I need this to be hidden because of the color. So I'm going to try and turn this around. Okay, and then I'm going to divide the attachment into three parts. Okay. Okay, still nice. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. This is it. So guys, I'm done braiding and this is actually looking very nice. So I'm not sure whether I should leave this like this or I should just make it like a knot behind. But I feel like if I should leave this like this, the hair might not last. It might not last. So I don't know. I'm gonna ask my sister whether I should leave this like this or just make it a knot. And before I do anything, I need to put this in water so as to soften it, make it soft. So guys, I asked my husband, he said I should leave it this way, that it looks nice. So I'm gonna leave it this way for now. Okay, if I notice that it's getting just the hair is misbehaving, I'm just going to make it like a knot at the back. But for now, I'm gonna leave it this way. And I've dipped the hair in hot water. I dipped the hair in hot water. That's why it's looking more nice and sleek. Okay, so I dipped it in hot water. I'm gonna cut this, just a bit of this tail away. I'm gonna cut this portion away. And I also noticed that the rubber band I used, because it's not black color, it was visible. So I went ahead to use a black band to just cover that part up. And I think that's all for this hair. I don't know. I have this with me. It's called Ultra Hold with extra condition. So I'm just gonna apply a bit. I don't know if it's actually useful or not, but I'm gonna apply a bit to the gel part, and that will be all. So tomorrow I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna show you guys the final look with my makeup. It's very hard to press. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, from what I've heard, I think it helps to make the hair firm. I feel like this is not necessary, this is useless, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. So that's all. Hi guys, so this is the second day and the hair still looks so nice. Guys, you guys can see all the edges, everything is still very laid. Okay, it's looking nice. Okay, and this is the tail. So I'm dressed ready to go out and it looks so nice. Hey guys, okay, so that's all guys, and I'm going to end this video now. I'm late for church, so bye guys.